Hi everyone, welcome to Berylawesfashion YouTube channel. My name is Abiodun Oluwole, and if you are new here, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and remember to put on your notification bell so that as soon as I upload new videos, you will be notified. I upload videos every week. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make use of our contouring guide principles. And why do we need to contour our garments? Most times, if your neckline is too low, you need to contour. If you do not contour, you are going to have gape. It will gape at either the neck area or at the armhole area. Most times, that is what we see. But the question is, what is gaping? Gaping is a situation whereby your garment is not laying flat on your body. You are having something like bulge, especially when you are making a sleeveless dress or when your neckline is too low, or you are making a wrap dress. You see some, it won't lay very flat. So I'm going to be showing us how to do contour different places. That is why we have this diagram here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make use of my basic pattern. So you must know how to make your basic pattern before you can proceed with this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer my side dart bust to the waist so that we have one dart, just one dart. I'm going to use the fastest method, which is the pivotal method to transfer it. Just watch how I'm going to do it. Although I already have a detailed video on how to do that on the channel. I'll put the link in the description box for you so that you can watch it. Okay. So I'll just secure where my bust point is, and I'm going to close my side dart this way. This method is faster and is called pivotal method. So my side dart has been transferred to the waist this way. So I just connect it this way. So to get our bust radius, we need the difference between our bust point and underbust. The underbust that I'm working with is 13 inches and the bust point is 10 inches. Let me show you. This is 10 inches and my underbust is 13. So the difference between the underbust and the bust point is 3 inches. So you check yours. Whatever yours is, that is what you make use of. So I'll be making use of my compass to do this. In case you do not have compass, what you just need to do is come here and mark around your 3 inches this way. You mark round till you get a circle like this. But I have a compass, so I'm going to be making use of my compass. Mine is 3 inches. As I said, whatever yours is, that is what you will impute. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? I hope you can see it because my marker cannot enter the compass. So you have, this is our bust radius. So the next thing we want to do is the first one, is the neck, the one at the neck area. So you measure what you have here and get the midpoint. So I'm having 5 inches. So the midpoint of my neckline is 2.5 inches. So I'll connect it back to the neckline. So to contour it, the standard is 1/4 of an inch, but you can do more depending on how busty your client is. But for the purpose of this class, we'll be using the standard measurement, which is 1/4 of an inch. Can you see that? And I'm going to connect it back to the neckline. So this is the first one. So the second one we are going to consider is here at the tip of the shoulder area here. So I'm going to connect it from here to the bust point. So for this one, we'll be using 1/2 inch. 1/2 inch. Or you can use 1/4 of an inch. I just want you to see the different options that you have. Then the next one is the armhole area. You can just pick anywhere or the curvy part of the armhole. So I'm picking here. You connect here. This is the second guideline. Then for the third one, this is it. Here you come down by 1/2 inch or 1/4 of an inch, like before. So this one, you will be connecting it to here. You can equally contour the center front. Yes, depending on the style that you are making. So, but if you contour the center front, it means that it's going to be having joining at the center front. Yeah, I'm sure you might have seen some designs that are like that. So to do that, I'll be doing 1/2 of an inch on both sides. Then the last one is the underboss contouring. I'll be doing 1/2 of an inch here on both sides. And we are going to connect it this way. Then this area, you can use your curve ruler to do that. That is that. So now let's now assume that we want to have a deeper neckline the way it is. Now let's assume that we want our neckline to be as deep as this. Let me just show you. Let's extend the neckline maybe by 2 inches. Depends on what you actually want. So if you have not done this contouring, if you cut like this, there's no two way to go about it. It will definitely gape. It will not lay on you. That's just the purpose of this. So let me cut it so that you will see what I'm talking about. I'll cut it now. So you are having V shape, that is deep V. Okay, before then, let's close the dart layer so that we can throw our dart. You need to throw your dart. So you need to throw your dart this way. You might not be able to see it. I'll cut it out and we'll see what I've just done. So to contour now, you cut out the dart excess that you'll be having on the neckline. You cut it out this way. You cut up to the bust point. So the excess here at the neck area, you transfer it to the bust point, to the underbust. So sorry about that. And that way your underbust area becomes wider, and you close here this way. You can see it that it doesn't align again because you have through the dart. So I will put it together with my masking. So you can see here that it's no longer equal, so you need to add paper to it. And once you add paper to it, you blend it. You blend it back here. That way you will not have gaping at the neck area. So the excess that you will have here that will not make your garment relax, you have transferred it to the underbust. Let me just do one more for your armhole area, in case you want to make a sleeveless dress. You know, if you want to make a sleeveless dress, you come in by at least 1 inch and connect back. You can use your free hand or your ruler. So once you do that this way, if you don't contour it, it will gape. So what do? You remove the dart here, the excess here, the excess dart here and here, and transfer here. Then you blend your armhole back. So you are going to close here, then cut the one at the armhole area. If this video has been helpful, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you have questions, leave your question in the comment section. I'm going to attend to them. So I will secure it with my masking tape. So I've transferred all the excesses that you have gotten from here to the underbust. So you see that we have a shortage in this armhole area. So you will put another paper on that and blend it back to the armhole this way. So let me secure it with my masking tape and show you. So we have done 2 of it. When you want to have a deeper neckline and when you want to have a sleeveless dress. So you can try to do when you want to contour your center front on your own. And please don't forget to leave your comments. I'm always happy to answer questions that are related to pattern drafting. So this is the final outcome. You can see that the underbust area is now wide. So depending on what you are creating, you have this now. So there is no how you have bulge or gaping at the armhole area and at the neckline area. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.